Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to print web page in Adobe Express. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just to follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Printing an Adobe Express web page involves converting it into a printable format, as Adobe Express web pages are primarily designed for digital sharing. Alright? Now once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or the design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section, browse some amazing designs to begin your work, and then later we're gonna print that as is as a web page, or you can start your own content by uploading this button. Now, I'm working with this design option here. One of the easiest way for you to print the web page here in Adobe Express is capture the web page for printing. All right. Since the web page is not a standard document format, you'll need to convert it to a printable format. Number one option is take a screenshot of this whole Adobe Express web page, like this one. You can use a sniping tool or basically the function on your keyboard, which is going to be the print screen. If you do that, you would notice that the print screen right here, it's already been pasted to another platform, which is going to be the Canva. So you can work simultaneously from there. All right. You can also click this right here, click on share, and of course you can go to the download option, save it as a PNG or a PDF and all of that. That's one way, all right? Don't have to worry. Now, you might want to copy this again. Now, once the web page has been pasted right here, increase that. You see this? And then now you have the option to print it as click the download button. Go for the PDF, which is best for printing. You can add crop marks and show bleed and click on download. It's very easy, all right? Another option that you can do is simply go back to the design that you have worked on. Go to File, go to Download, and again, go for the PDF, which is best for printing. Click on Download, and open the downloaded file. Going to minimize this, and you have all of this option right here. You see, go to the Print tab. We're obviously going to Microsoft Print to PDF. You have an option for the pages, custom, more settings, right? Color, and all of these options for you. Basically, that's how you can print Adobe Express web page in this platform. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.